In the band I'm weaving at the moment, I don't have a vast amount of the yarn available to me. So I'm using fishing swivels to help me reduce the loom waste. Now, loom waste is the portion of the warp that is lost due to knots at the beginning of the band and knots at the end to tie the warp onto the loom. And there'll also be the portion that the tablets sit on. Now that knot at the end of the warp uses up quite a lot of yarn. So instead of that big knot, I've made a little overhand knot at the end of the threads for each tablet, and I've clipped them onto fishing swivels. In addition to reducing the amount of loom waste I've got to deal with here, I can reduce the tension on the warp a little, and then holding the fishing swivel in place at one end, run my thumb or finger up through the shed, and that completely removes any excess of twist behind that tablet. And this means that I'm not going to have to think about changing the threading direction of my tablets or working in a reversal point in the turning diagram. It also means I'm not going to have to comb out any twist or then try to tie the warp back onto the loom and get an even tension afterwards. I hope this has been helpful for you and inspires you to think of new ways of setting up your own loom. Happy weaving!